Hola, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the ultrasonic level measurement system is based on the emission of an ultrasonic pulse to a reflective surface and the reception of its echo in a receiver. The delay in picking up the echo depends on the tank level. The waves can pass through the environment of gases and vapors with some damping or reflection, increasing or decreasing the speed of sound, and are reflected on the surface of the liquid or solid. The sensors work at the frequency of 20 kHz. At higher frequencies, about 50 kHz, the sonic waves penetrate the air layers of the tank with less damping. So, an environment that exceeds 0 to 70 Celsius can change the frequency of the sound, reduce the transmission power and sensitivity, and, in extreme cases, block the transmission of impulses. In level alarm applications, the sensors vibrate at a certain resonance frequency, which is dampened when the liquid wets them. In the case of continuous level indication, the ultrasonic source generates pulses that are detected by the receiver after the corresponding round-trip time of the wave to the surface of the liquid or solid has elapsed. This is the block diagram of an ultrasound measurement system. The emitter sensor has an excitatory oscillator that sends an ultrasonic pulse to the surface of the liquid, and the receiver sensor receives the reflected signal by sending a signal based on the elapsed time, and therefore the level, to an analog electronic transmitter equipped with the HART protocol to obtain the digital signal. These instruments have an accuracy of 5 mm, or plus minus 0.25 to plus minus 1%. They are suitable for all types of tanks and liquids or sludge, and can be explosion-proof. However, they are sensitive to the density of the fluids and can give erroneous signals if there are obstructions inside the tank or when the surface is not clear, as is the case of liquids that form foam, since false echoes are produced. The use of microprocessor allows the ultrasonic profile of the level to be stored in order to take into account characteristics of the liquid surface, such as foam, compensating for false echoes and variations in the speed of sound using software, making the measurement more precise. The computer facilitates conversion from tank level to tank volume for inventory uses and to provide self-test features of the instrument. Another system uses a vertically measuring cable or electrode installed in the upper part of the tank and reaching the liquid, through which high-frequency microwave pulses flow that are reflected directly on the surface of the liquid, so the system is insensitive to vapors in the tank. In the receiver, a microprocessor is programmed to detect and compensate for false echoes. The instruments are factory set to the length of the electrode, so field adjustment is no longer necessary. And well, this will be all for today's video. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and share. I upload videos every Wednesday in Spanish and every Friday in English. Adios! Which is dampened, 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 dampened. Another.